Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to boot your ACER Chromebook Spin 713 from USB. In order to boot your laptop from USB flash drive or an SD card, we're gonna have to first make sure that the bootable SD card is inserted in our device. After that, press and hold escape and refresh buttons at the same time while your device is turned off. And while holding them together, short press the power button on the right edge of your laptop. Then just let your laptop boot into the recovery mode, and the laptop will automatically start booting with external USB flash drive. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.